Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about a false belief that is unexplained by reality and shared by a number of people is. Here, this is not there is a false belief which is not explained by reality and shared by number of people. This is actually a superstition. For example, if you see black magic is not explained by reality, but it is shared by number of people. If you see delusion, it is actually false belief and it is not explained by physical or social or cultural factors, whereas in superstitions it is explained by cultural factors, right? Because of the cultural issues this is seen. So if a false belief is explained by cultural factors, then that is superstition. Whereas in delusion, the false belief is not explained by cultural and social factors. Thank you, and thank you for watching.